Bark is removed to freshly cut wood chips move toward screening.
Uniform chips are stored temporarily before pulping.
Agitators keep fibers evenly mixed.
Sheet speed is synchronized with downstream sections.
Paper production begins with raw logs delivered to the mill. Logs are transferred by conveyor for surface preparation. Bark is removed to prevent contamination during pulping. Removed bark is collected separately for reuse or disposal. Cleaned logs are prepared for size reduction. Logs are fed into chippers to produce uniform wood chips. High-speed blades cut logs into controlled-sized chips. Freshly cut wood chips move toward screening. Screening ensures consistent chip size for pulping. Oversized chips are redirected for resizing.
Uniform chips are stored temporarily before pulping. Sensors maintain a steady supply of chips.
Chips are released in controlled quantities for pulping.
Heat and chemicals break down wood fibers.
Controlled mixing ensures uniform pulping. The pulped fiber mixture exits the digester.
Pulp pressure is reduced in the blow tank.
Excess steam is safely released from the pulp. Water is added to control pulp consistency. The prepared pulp moves toward cleaning and screening. Unwanted particles are removed from production. The cleaned pulp is ready for further refinement. The pulp enters fine screening to remove remaining contaminants. Vibrating screens filter out small, unwanted particles. Clean pulp continues forward while rejects are removed. Centrifugal cleaners use rotation to remove heavy contaminants. Heavy particles are separated from the pulp stream. The cleaned pulp exits the centrifugal cleaners. Secondary screening further improves pulp purity.
Pressure screens remove fine contaminants and fiber bundles.
Only clean fibers pass through precision screen slots. Rejected material is removed to protect paper quality.
The cleaned pulp moves into thickening for consistency control. Excess water is removed to adjust pulp concentration.
Water drains away while fibers remain. The pulp exits at a controlled consistency. Sensors continuously monitor pulp consistency. Automatic controls fine-tune water levels. The pulp is collected in a blending chest. Agitators keep fibers evenly mixed. Process water fine-tunes the pulp mixture. Samples are taken to verify pulp quality. Approved pulp continues toward sheet formation. Rejected pulp is sent for reprocessing. The clean pulp moves toward the paper machine. Flow controls ensure even pulp delivery. The pulp is now ready for sheet formation. The cleaned pulp enters the head box for sheet formation. The head box spreads pulp evenly to control sheet thickness. Water begins draining as fibers settle on the wire. Fibers interlock to form a continuous paper sheet. Cable rolls support the wire and improve drainage.
Coils enhance water removal and sheet formation.
The sheet gains strength as water content decreases. Edge trimming controls the final paper width. Excess fibers and water are removed from the edges. The forming sheet becomes visibly uniform. Top wire pressure improves fiber bonding. Remaining free water is removed by suction. Windowed by suction, the sheet reaches its target forming consistency. The wet sheet transfers smoothly to the press section. The press felt supports the sheet for dewatering. Alignment controls prepare the sheet for pressing. Moisture sensors monitor sheet uniformity. Vacuum levels are adjusted automatically. The sheet gains stability before pressing. Recovered water is returned to the process. Sheet speed is synchronized with downstream sections. Final forming adjustments ensure consistency. The paper sheet enters the press section. Press rollers prepare to remove more water. Mechanical pressure removes additional moisture. Water is absorbed into the press felt. Sheet forming is complete and pressing begins. The wet paper sheet enters the press section for mechanical dewatering. High-pressure rollers squeeze water from the paper sheet. Press felts absorb water removed from the sheet. Felts transport extracted water away from the sheet.
After the first press, the sheet contains significantly less water.
The sheet transfers smoothly to the next press stage. Additional pressure removes more moisture. Pressing increases sheet density and strength. Extracted water is collected for recovery.
Press felts are continuously cleaned for efficiency.
A final press further reduces moisture content. Pressing stabilizes the paper sheet structure. The sheet exits with a uniform moisture profile. Sensors verify moisture levels before drying.
Press pressure is adjusted automatically to maintain quality.
Mechanical pressure raises the sheet temperature slightly. The sheet moves from pressing to thermal drying.
Dryer cylinders prepare to remove remaining moisture.
Heat begins evaporating remaining water from the paper. Steam heats the cylinders to dry the paper sheet. The sheet wraps around heated cylinders for uniform drying. Moisture evaporates as heat transfers to the sheet. Dryer fabrics guide the sheet through the drying section. Tension controls prevent sheet breaks. Multiple cylinders gradually dry the paper.
Moisture content decreases step by step.
Exhaust systems remove humid air from drying. Drying strengthens fiber bonds within the paper. Drying strengthens fiber bonds within the paper.
The paper exits the drying section.
The dried paper is ready for reeling. The dried paper sheet enters the reeling section. The paper sheet is wound onto a large reel. Reel speed is synchronized to prevent sheet breaks. The paper roll builds gradually during winding. Edge trimming ensures clean and uniform rolls. Trim waste is removed for recycling. Roll dimensions are monitored precisely. Automatic systems prepare for real change. The finished jumbo roll is separated from production. The roll is secured for safe handling. The jumbo roll moves to the winding section.
The roll is mounted onto the winder machine. The paper unwinds for precision cutting.
Slitting knives cut the paper to required widths. Multiple rolls are produced in a single operation. Tension control ensures smooth roll formation. Uniform winding prevents defects. Each roll reaches its specified size. Finished rolls are separated automatically. The finished rolls move toward inspection. Product labels are printed for identification. Each roll is labeled for traceability. Roll weight is checked to meet specifications. The approved paper roll continues forward without any change in material or quality. Non-conforming rolls are removed. Protective wrapping prevents damage. Rolls are stacked for storage and transport. Pallets are transferred to warehouse storage. The finished paper is ready for distribution.